Hey, Dr. Chris, welcome back to another one of the home rehab videos. This one is going to be on your cervical head weighting. So this is the headband device that you have in your home rehab kit. There are 4 bars in your kit, and there's a pound in each one. The overall goal for using this is to work on strengthening your neck and improving your curvature in your upper portion of your neck and your upper back. Most people have what's called a kyphotic curve, which means they round their upper back from poor sleep habits, poor traumas you had years ago, sitting at the computer, texting, iPad, etc. That causes a lot of pressure on your upper cervical spine, which in turn can cause a number of conditions from headaches to neck pain, all the way down to lower back pain and even gastrointestinal problems as well. So the overall goal for this is you're going to start off really low in regard to time and work your way up, just like those pelvic blocks that we went over. So initially you'll start off at 5 minutes, and you can work your way up towards 10, 15, 20 minutes, depending on your individual prescription. I'm going to show you and demonstrate how to use this. We will fit this for you in the office if we have not already done so. And then you will also bring this in with you on your visits, as we'll have you do some different types of therapy with this on. So the placement of this goes like this. Hold that right at the level of the eyebrows. And you want it to be nice and snug. Here, pull this down. Okay. Now the overall goal here, when you put it on, you want to make sure it's centered directly over your face. You do not want it to be shifted over to the side, to the left, or to the right, as that could produce some abnormal pressure on your neck. When you can do this in a seated position. Proper posture would be shoulders back, head back. You do not want to be using this in a poor posture at your computer desk unless you have really good posture. So that would be counterproductive of what we're trying to achieve. You can also march in place or walk around the house as long as you have and maintain that proper posture throughout. Once again, as tight as possible, at the level of your eyebrows, not below it. That's another problem we've run into. Make sure it stays at the eyebrows or slightly above. And use this consistently. Bring this into the office with you. And I'm hoping you're enjoying this. Take accountability for this. Over time, stay consistent, and that x-ray that we'll see down the road, we're going to really see some cool changes with this. Look forward to seeing you soon.